I have got a full carload here. We are working on food storage first thing this morning, and then we've got some errands to run and lots to do today. Running, trying to get a lot done. And Friday we are hoping to get the bulk of what we want to bring over to the house and then be ready for the movers come Saturday morning. All right, we're back at the apartment and we got some new LED lights to change out these cans for a daylight. This is more of that orangey, like low light. So while Derek is switching out the light bulbs and working on things, I'm gonna continue to work on the pantry. Okay, here's what the dilemma was last night. This shelf here is very tall. This is the only tall one. Everything else is this size here. Okay, and I noticed that a lot of things, like I can't double stack these bins on this shelf. Some things I gotta figure out, like these two things, the Instapot and the air fryer, only fit on this shelf. Still have a lot to do, lots of moving things around, figuring out how to do this, because I want all the kitchen gadgets in here. This closet here at the end of the hall, so here's the kitchen all the way down. I stored my craft bins in here for now. These two drawers will probably stay down here. These are gift bags. And I do have this laundry room that has lots of storage. So this will be all the cleaning supply area. I might be able to just get all my cleaning supplies in here and under my kitchen sink and have this available. And then behind the door is more storage. So I'll have my printer here, the homework station. There's lots of cupboard space, you guys, lots and lots. And then I bought a tension rod to go up here to hang clothes. I gotta get all these kitchen gadgets, the plastic bins, all of this in that pantry or the food room. It just depends. But I have not filled above the refrigerator or above the microwave. I'm trying to get it to all work so then I can figure out how we can utilize this closet. We do have a very big linen closet, the same size by the bathroom. We do need to find an area to store all our board games. This closet might be it, so I need to move some of this into the laundry room. I'm gonna work in here, try to figure out this pantry. I'm excited to show you the end result. I hope it comes out great. I'm really like, please. Oh, I just want to be like Mary Poppins and snap. Derek changed the lighting in the kitchen to a daylight. Look at the difference in the trim. Isn't that funny? And now the paint looks cream and not yellow. We're going to be changing all the rooms, the closets, to that lighting. Okay, we are back and we have a full load here. This is mainly the master bedroom stuff and a couple of stragglers. And this has some house decor. All right, brought all the bags in, more bags. So we have all our clothes. They're on the hangers in these bags, so all I have to do is take them out and voila. We decided not to do the garbage bag thing this time since we had these awesome blue tarp duffel bags. So we have a lot of shelf room, but not much hanging room. Derek and his dad are gonna put a brace in the middle of those so they don't break. They're in there tight. All right, so now we're gonna take all these bags, go back home, and start in
awesome.
Aren't they the best?
Put some serious weight in these.
Yeah.
No rips yet.
Oh my gosh, they've been great. Derek and I are just gonna work late until we collapse. It's around 9 p.m. and we've got another load. The movers are gonna be bringing a lot of boxes, but they have a box quota. Ooh, it is 10 o'clock. All of Shaylee's boxes are here. Those are her clothes in those bags. And she has some clothes in some of these boxes that she did. Hello friends, it is Friday. It is 7 p.m. Right now I'm going through the fridge, tossing things, and then I'm gonna be wiping it all down. And then tomorrow we'll bag everything up in coolers and take this. Good morning, it is moving day. And Derek and I's 22nd wedding anniversary.
Yeah.
We get to move. But we do have dinner plans tonight with friends. So we are just loading in our cars, just some of the stragglers. Mary, our cleaning lady, is coming to help us clean. And dust and scrub.
I love it.
But you don't have to do any heavy lifting today. That was the whole point of the moving company. So
I know, I have a problem. I just keep doing things.
I know. But when they get here, you stop. Yeah, we got a moving company to help with all the big stuff because we're over moving. Twice in 1 year, we're over it. So
it's fun. I highly recommend it.
we had a friend over yesterday, Chris. He helped us with our food storage, all our big buckets.
Yeah.
That he went and got his dolly. Thank gosh.
All the wheat and the rice and.
We're excited for things to come. We are, like I said, we're looking for land, 4 to 5 acres maybe. I know a lot of you are confused. You're like, what? I thought you just moved. I'm like, yeah,
I'm confused.
We're confused too. But the Lord told us to sell our home and move, and we did it. It was the best decision we could have made for our family because things popped up later when we did, and we were like, oh, gotcha. I'm working in the food storage room. So we decided to move the shelves to this wall. So that fridge is going up in their garage. This was what was in our refrigerator. And I'm gonna get it in this refrigerator until the movers come. They're done at our house. They're just on lunch break. And then they'll be here to unload. The other big freezer that was in the garage, everything is in big coolers, so it'll be fine. Oh, hi guys, you're here already. How was lunch?
Good. Pretty good.
You doing okay?
Yeah.
You got water?
Yeah.
Do you need water?
Could I have some?
There is bottled, I do have bottled water somewhere. Yes. All right, here's the coolers for everything for the big freezer. The big freezer is in now. I'm gonna get everything into that freezer. I'm not happy, our refrigerator got dented at the bottom. The brand new fridge, yeah. So we're gonna figure that one out. Isn't there a thing, maybe you guys can help me with, where I've seen a thing on TV. It's like a suction cup thing. It kind of pulls dents in. Would it work on a refrigerator? If you know anything, will you please leave a comment? Thanks. Feels good in here. Nice and cold. We did leave some things and they were able to transport the freezer with some stuff in it, but we wanted to take a lot of the weight away, so a lot of like the cow, we took out. Just looking at some of the stuff I have, I'm already like, oh, this meal, this meal, this meal. I'm already creating a menu for the next like week or two. Oh boy. Well, the movers are gone. Felix is building a fan, and the girls, Callie and a cousin, have been helping Shaylee with her room. So besides setting up your kitchen first when you move, get your beds made, because when you're done working, you're gonna wanna crash and slip into a nice, fresh, clean bed. So we're working, right? So we're working on beds right now. The boys are getting their sheets on, and now Derek's working on our beds. These are 2 twin adjustable beds. I get asked that a lot when you guys see me make my bed, like, is that 2 twins? And yes, they're 2 adjustable twins together, and then we got a king bed frame. So we are making the beds next. We just stopped in here to grab more stuff. That's gonna go to the dump. Now I'm just packing up this stuff, all the randomness. And we gotta get this stuff down. And we have to get that sign down too. My master bathroom has stuff still, some of our toiletries that we've been using for the week. So I gotta grab that and some stuff out of our closet. Oh, this house was so fun, you guys. It really was. It was a nice little transition and beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now I know what I want in a kitchen if we decide to build or buy. I definitely want a laundry room upstairs because having that laundry room upstairs was fantastic. I definitely want a soaking tub. That was awesome. The mudroom. I loved the mudroom. You guys, we have the best friends in the whole world. Chris and Beth brought us dinner tonight. This is going to be awesome. It's chicken. No, it's a jalapeno with cream cheese and yumminess with it. Right?
This is either jalapeno or Anaheim pepper.
Oh, okay.
So you fillet the chicken, and then you pound it out to make it flat. And then you cut the peppers in half, and then you scrape out all the insides in it.
Just a slit in them.
Pulled out all the seeds, everything like that, and then you put, well, we did a mixture of cream cheese, ham, garlic, and onion powder. We put that into it with shredded cheddar cheese, and then you roll it in the chicken, and then you wrap the bacon around it and you tuck the bacon into itself so you don't need any toothpicks.
Oh my gosh.
And then while it's smoking on medium, about 350 or 350, then you put some barbecue sauce on it, just add that extra flavor.
Is this your homemade barbecue sauce?
No.
Oh, okay.
I need to make some
So
more of that
good.
homemade barbecue
And we got
sauce.
smoked corn on the cob. I can't wait to try that. And the sweet kale salad, and looks like
That's fine.
cherries and elf fudge cookies, because those are awesome.
I was like, oh.
What else we got here?
These are from our garden.
Oh, thank you. Woohoo.
I'm getting ice now.
Oh, what is that?
Caramel and pecan on top of brownies.
Oh, yeah.
We're fat and happy for a reason.
Thank you. They wanted to make us dinner, and since we're not going out for our anniversary, since our plans were canceled, they made us dinner. And now we're gonna have a yummy anniversary dinner with our good friends. Oh, and I see croissants.
Oh yeah, the croissant.
Yeah, they're okay. They're Smith's croissants.
And
This last one is not working.
Beth has got something going on here, which I'm excited about.
Three candles.
Oh my gosh, you were like the sweetest thing ever.
Oh,
So what style corn is this called?
this is like the corn that the Mexican corn, I guess.
Okay.
I don't know what it's called. I'm very illiterate culturally.
Nacho Libre.
But this is the this is crema mexicana.
Okay.
And then you just, what I do, usually it has the stick at the fairs,
Right.
but we're just doing it rustic style. Just roll it in the crema,
Okay.
and then you're gonna take your cotija cheese. And this one already came grated. Usually it comes in like a round disc,
Okay.
and you have to kind of break it apart yourself.
Blow it out, Margaret.
But this one's already lovely and grated.
Okay.
Queso cotija. And then you just sprinkle it over.
Right here. There's all the Subway.
Oh my gosh. I can't wait to try this.
And you're just gonna sprinkle it
Oh my
and
gosh.
keep turning it. And get it all soaking up that crema goodness.
My goodness.
And then actually we could probably get another plate and then just put a bunch
Yeah.
here. And then to finish it off, lovely authentico chili lime seasoning.
Oh my gosh.
The stick would make this a
I
lot
need
easier,
to.
obviously.
I need to get that seasoning.
Oh yeah, you can get this at lots of stores. And then depending on how hot or spicy you like it. The other thing I've done is I cut the corn off of the cob, and then you just spoon in all of these ingredients and mix it and make like a corn salad,
Oh my gosh.
right?
Oh my gosh.
So if you need.
I can't wait to eat that. Look.
And Derek can have some.
Ooh.
Kimmy.